This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sandra Bowlus. Beautiful newer home built 2019, one-level living. Open floor plan white cabinets, granite tops in kitchen west/bar area stacked stone fireplace. Master bath has a clawfoot tub and fully tiled shower, walk-in closet. 9 ceilings, brick on 3 sides of the home, fully fenced backyard with a nice deck off the French doors. 2-car garage. Lovely quiet neighborhood. Don't wait. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandra Bowlus at 865-966-1111.